We are going to discuss the limitation of the octet rule. So, certain limitation I have just filled a pen down on the board. So, here the first is the formation of compounds involving the hydrogen. So, you must have seen that when we are drawing the Lewis structure, the compounds where the hydrogen is involved, right there, because hydrogen has got only one shell, so it octet cannot be completed. It will gain the stable configuration of its nearest noble gas, and that is helium. So there the duplet, not the octet, is being followed, right? So if we take the example of H and F, so here the hydrogen duplet will be, or doublet will be followed, and the octet will be complete of the halogen, and that of the hydrogen it is duplet will be followed up, right? It will be not the octet for hydrogen. Second is formation of a hypervalent compound. So there are certain compounds where the octet rule is being violated, right? Of the central, especially on the central atom. So if we take the example of PCl5, right? So phosphorus, and then we have got chlorine around it. So 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So here if you see that octet definitely of chlorine will be completed up, right? It will be followed, octet will be followed there. But that of the phosphorus, you can see here that the phosphorus is surrounding the 5 chlorine atom. So that means it will have 10 electrons. So the octet rule is being violated here. Similarly, you can draw for SF6 also. So in the sulfur F6, 6 fluorine atom are surrounding it, right? So here also the fluorine octet is incomplete, but the central atom octet, right, it is just is not complete, is over the octet. We can say here, you can see it's 6. So there on the sulfur the 12 electrons are present. That means here the octet rule is being violated up. Now next is the formation of the odd electron molecules. So students, there are many molecules where the octet rule is violated as it contains more than, we can say there will be an odd electron, that generally 3 electrons will be present. So if we take the example of NO here, you know that nitrogen will have 5 valence electron, oxygen is having how much? 6. So 6 plus 5, 11, 11 electrons. So a bond is there, this is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? This is 9 and 10. Now one more electron will be left. So that is getting as a odd electron on the nitrogen molecule. Right? So again the octet is being not followed, it has been violated. Now this structure can be, we can write it as in this way also. So here it will be 3 electrons. Right? So here the formation of odd electron molecule. Right, student? So the next is the, there are certain compounds which are electron deficient species, right? So formation of compounds which are electron deficient. Now here we can take an example of BeCl3. Now if we draw the Lewis structure for it, beryllium atomic number is how much? 4. So if it is given the valence electron, it will having how much electrons? 2. 2 for the beryllium. Fluorine has got 7 into chlorine. It has got 7 valence electrons. It is coming 7, 3, 21, right? And 21 plus 2. It is how much? Student is coming 23, right? So here beryllium chloride. So if you draw the structure of it, so it will be in this way, right? So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, right? And here there is beryllium trichloride. So where we are having how much here, students? Total, you can see that the beryllium at the center is not having its electron completed up, right? So let me make a slight correction here, because with beryllium we will not be able to make, we can make for beryllium only two, because the beryllium has got two valence electron at the center, so that's why it can hold only two chlorine atom around it, right student? So here it is, slight correction, we will have only two chlorine atom, right, around it. So beryllium belongs to the alkaline earth metal group, so it has got the +2 oxidation state, and it is the first member of its group also. So it doesn't have any valence, any d subshell with it. So that it can extend its oxidation state. So here, just a correction, beryllium will show BeCl2, it will not form BeCl3, right? So it is coming how much? 7 to 14 plus 2. 16. So it was 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So you can see that here the octet of beryllium is not being completed. Right? Though here it is of chlorine, it has been completed here also, but it is not completed here. It is having, we can say, less number of electron with it. Right? Now the example which I wanted to quote here was for the aluminum chloride, right? And just I wrote over there beryllium chloride. So just see for aluminum chloride here, AlCl3, right? So if you just draw for the aluminum, right? So you will find out that the aluminum octet will not be complete, right? So we have got 3 for the aluminum, and it is 7 into 3. How much? 21. So 21 plus 3, 24. So you will find it here that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Here 12. Here it's 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20, 24. Right? So we will have 24 electrons, and you can see that the aluminum octet is not being completed. Right? So it is violating the octet rule. Right, student? So the octet rule is being violated, so that's why we can say that the octet rule is not able to explain the formation of large number of compounds. That's why we have to step ahead with, for another theory which will helps to predict the formation of these kinds of compound, right? Even the noble gases, formation of noble gases compounds cannot be explained, right student? This was a formation of electron deficient compounds, right? This was the fourth demerit, or we can limitation of it. And fifth is that it could not explain the formation of the noble gases compounds, because the noble gas compound of xenon is being obtained, is being formed, right? Which cannot be explained through the octet rule. That's why we have to jump up to the another theory, right, which will explain the formation of these compounds, which was not being possible through the octet rule.